Hi everyone, thank you for coming to my channel. Today's video is going to be whenever you buy a brand new hard drive. It could be a mechanical drive, it could be a SSD drive, it could be a M.2 drive, um, and it's not showing in my computer. Like, I'm gonna show you right here. I'm gonna go into this folder, right? I'm gonna hit this PC. When I hit this PC, it's just showing me local disk C. That's the normal drive you have there with Windows installation disk. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna right click into this PC. You're gonna go into manage. When you go into manage, you're gonna go this management. You just wait for the information. You see, it's gonna show you there's a brand new disk. You see, it's a over here, it's a MBR master boot record, and over here it's a unlocated. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna leave it like that. You're gonna hit OK, right? It's gonna come out like this. You're gonna right click here. You're gonna put new volume. When you hit the new volume, you're gonna go in through the setup. When you go in through the setup, you hit next, then you hit next. Over here is gonna show you what drive letter you want. Over here it's not gonna show you drive C because it's already, with your Windows. So it's not gonna be available. Over here you could pick any letter you want from the top to the bottom, but it's gonna show you the most common. There's gonna be like D or E or F, it could be B or A, but it's showing you D. You could leave it like that, or you could choose any letter. So you're gonna hit next. When you hit next, it's gonna show you format this volume with the following setting. Okay, so over here you could put do not format this volume if you want one, but I always do. So it's NTFS exFAT, but you're gonna leave it here normal as it is. Over here you're gonna put any name you want to put to that secondary drive. I'm gonna put tech zone. I put tech zone. When I put tech zone, you could uncheck perform accurate format, but if you take this thick out and hit next, it's gonna take a more longer time to format that drive. But since it's a brand new hard drive, or maybe it's been our hard drive that you had home and you erased it all, but it wasn't showing in my computer, you're gonna leave it perform a quick format. Okay, so when you do the quick format, it's just to so the computer could recognize it, so you put a name if you want, any name you want. You could leave new volume. So I hit next, right? When you hit next, then you hit finish. Look at the bottom. You just gotta wait. Just wait there. It's formatting right now. It's a quick format. Take you like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds. It all depends. I have it in an enclosure, so it might take a little longer. But maybe when you have it on in the normal computer installed internal, it might take less. So you see here, it just finished. It just open up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit this PC. When I hit this PC, you see, it's showing over here. So it's showing. There we go. You hit it. You open it. It's nothing there. It's a brand new hard drive. So people, I just did this short video. So the people that don't know, maybe some people know, but they just forgot about it, how to do it. So here's a simple, basic video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this little video it helped someone, and thank you for coming to my channel. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification um, bell, so whenever I do a video, it could just send you an email, or maybe or a little ring in your phone or your computer. So and you could watch my video. Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.